Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to unpublish a Wix website. There are two ways to do that. First, we'll try it from the edit side. So you're on your dashboard, you have to click on the edit side and it will load this page. Once it is loaded, you have to click on the site and then click on the unpublished site. Then you have to click on the unpublish and it will unpublish your website. The second way to unpublish your website is to go to the dashboard, and from there you click on the settings and then find the website settings, which is this one. Click on this one and then you have the same option here again to unpublish. Once you click on publish, the website will be unpublished. So this is how you unpublish a Wix website. Thanks a lot for watching our video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.